What's up guys, Moto with Matt, Tuesday, new video. If you haven't subscribed, do it, I really appreciate it. These videos are a lot of fun for me to make. So today's going to be all about stoppies. Stoppies are really fun, I enjoy doing them. So the first step to a stoppie is you got to have some speed going, because you can't do a stoppie if you're not moving. So make sure you're moving. And then you jump off the pegs a little bit, like de-weight them. And you can use 1 or 2 fingers on your front brake. I use 2 for stoppies, I feel like I have more power with 2 and like more control. But I have done over the bars quite a few times, so maybe 1's better, I don't know. So you jump off the pegs a little bit, and then with your arms, put pressure into the bars, and your bike will just come up into a stoppie. So once you get up into a stoppie, this is when it gets kind of sketch, because if you keep holding on to the brake, the front brake pretty hard, you're definitely going to go over the bars and crash. I've learned that the hard way. So once you get up, you kind of want to let off your front brake a little bit and feather it. So like your initial brake pressure will be like, you'll be going and you'll go like this, and they'll come down a little bit and then grab it again, grab your front brake again, and then it'll come down again and grab it up. Or you can try to hold it like constant pressure, but that's really hard, and it's pretty easy to go over the bars if you do that. So just make sure like your first brake application is going to be pretty heavy to get your back wheel up. So boom, gets it up, and then let it fall a little bit, then grab the front brake again, and then let it fall again. And you don't want to like totally let out of the front brake, you still want to have a little pressure on. So just like don't like just go boom, boom, don't do that. Be like gentle. And so I'll put a few clips in, and hopefully this helps you get better at stoppies. Yo, thanks for watching. Peace out. See you next Tuesday.